Here, play.
Headquarters online. Spy plane ready for deployment. Headquarters secured.
Hi, Crossroad. Daddy taking a video of the fishes. Because two fishes are fighting. Because two fishes are
We're
fighting.
close to victory. Don't quit now. Our spy plane's in the air.
Hey, Uncle Alex. I got arowana. No, and large.
Friendly RCXD inbound. Mission accomplished. Nice work.
That President said he's going.
Where are you going?
He's going to. I mean, he made his done.
Okay.
Okay. Are you taking a video of them fighting?
Mm-hmm. They're kissing.
Auntie, Dad took a video of Dad and fighting. Don't disturb Daddy. They're fighting. They're fighting. What? They're kissing! They're kissing! No, they're fighting. No, they're kissing! No, they fight with their mouth. Oh, how do they fight with their mouth? Like biting. Oh shoot. Dad! Heidi's getting hurt by her lips.
I know. So what you gonna do? That's nature.
Nature is alive.
Fucking Oscar. Get the hell out of the camera, man.
Oh my God. Oh God.
Okay, that's enough. Mommy's gonna cry. That's enough. Boy, give me the net.
And that.
Hey, what's up, man?
Where's the net?
Outside.